2023, what a year it's about to be. And I'm going to give you my predictions on stocks and crypto for the year. Now, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. So let's get straight in and see how we get on. Guys, the first thing I want to talk about is the Feds going into the crypto market. Now, the Federal Reserve is to raise interest rates from December all the way through to February. Okay, we're already halfway in it. After hiking rates 6 times already this year, the nation's central bank is expected to lift the benchmark. Okay, you can see here going all the way up to a 0.75 percentage point. Okay, it's not likely the last increase of the economic cycle either. It is going to happen again, and the odds are high that the Fed will raise the rates in February 2023, which is next month coming up, as it attempts to get inflation, which hit 7.7% in October compared to a year ago. So we are rising and rising and rising due to the Fed's influence in crypto. Okay, the higher rates have actually been playing out in stocks and cryptocurrencies, commodities such as oil as well as many other investments over the last year. But what can investors expect from here, and how long will it actually be before the impacted markets start to fizzle out? Now, higher rates and recession fears continue to pressure the markets. All right, the Feds, like I said, has raised 6 times. Now, it's easy to spot when this happens. If you're diving into trades, I want you to go onto bankrate.com, hit that link down below, and actually get yourself sucked in so you can spot when these trends are happening. So now looking at Riot Crypto, okay, Riot Blockchain Incorporated stock forecast, prediction, and price target is all on the wallstreetzen.com. You can actually come and have a look. Now, be careful. There's a lot of pop-ups that come up, okay? It does start to annoy you, but pay attention to what's actually on there. Now, the Riot price target, okay, the Federal Reserve is set to raise interest rates for this as well. Okay, they have a control over stocks, crypto, everything like that. They're trying to get themselves in there. But according to 8 Wall Street analysts, they actually have issued a 1-year Riot price target with the average Riot price target at $20.88, as you can see, with the highest Riot stock price forecast at $42. Now, that's incredible. Coming up here, you can see it at $42. All right, it's going to be fantastic. The lowest Riot stock price is actually at $7, which you can see right at the bottom. The mean is $20.88. Now, by November 23, okay, they reckon the average Riot blockchain stock price is going to be an upside of 515%. That's ridiculous. Okay, the current Riot share price, $3.39. So we're looking very good. We're on a nice strong buy here. Okay, looking at this, thinking 2023 is going to be the year for Riot to actually boom up. So get involved with that if you want to make 2023 a very, very good year. Now, another tip from me, Mara stock. Okay, go over to the links down below, investorstrip.com/Mara stock price prediction. Okay, it's telling you all about it. So the price prediction is $250 per share in 2022. Okay, we're just moving to 2023 and it's still staying the same. I like the stock. It won't give you my thesis on why I bought Mara. That's what we're talking about here with Tarek Pierce. Okay, and how he believes the stock will play itself out over the next couple of years. This isn't financial advice, okay? Just remember the disclaimer at the start of this video. Now, if you dive into this, okay, it's a very interesting article. The Investor Trips 2022 price target for Mara stock is $10 in total. Now, what you got to bear in mind is the crypto market will remain bearish and it won't reverse trends until early 2030. So don't expect much crypto mining stocks to go aggressively high straight away. Okay, you can see the forecast here, 2022 all the way through to 2030, even including 2025. Now, the price target for the Marathon Digital Holder stock is $250 per share. The bull case is massive. Mara wants the 2024 Bitcoin. Halving cuts the supply of mineable BTC in half. It will create such a shock that I think this is going to make you a very happy man or woman all the way up to 2030. There we have it, guys. Please let us know if you love this channel. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified. We're going to get you a lot more content like this. But for now, have a blessed day. I'll see you next time.